Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up envelope budgeting in Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a digital version of the classic envelope budgeting system. Instead of cash and envelope, you assign your income into your categories like food, rent or travel, helping you control spending and save smarter. So first, make sure you open one of the browser you prefer and log into the PC. In the top there's an address bar. Type down goodbudget.com and enter it. And make sure to log in and enter your account details as well in the top right. Once you get into this interface of a good budget, what you can do is you need to set your income or add transaction into your monthly income salary allowance. Over here, add transaction in the top left here. Type down your payee amount and a check and a note and save it on the bottom. You can also create envelopes in the top. Fill in the envelopes here. Under this envelope, you can find your groceries, gas or annual. Create the categories over here and click all of this envelope and fill it. Divide your income into each category. Example, your groceries, gas. Type down your amount, pay in the top. You can also put any of the notes or your review and save. After you're done, you can simply click onto the save, and that is it. This is how you can set up envelope budgeting in Goodbudget. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.